Hey guys, Derpy Minecrafters here, more specifically Henry, and today I have an unboxing and review of the 1x1 video doorbell, so let's get into it, guys. So this doorbell retails for $149 on Amazon, and it's pretty cool actually. So let's get into it. Alright. Oh, this looks really cool. Oh. Woo! There it is. 1x1. This looks cool. Alright, so touchscreen or touch button video doorbell phone. Video door phone. I cannot read. This looks really cool actually. You can unlock the door apparently. IP44. 16 kinds of music. What? Here, I'll zoom in so you guys can see this better. That's better. Alright, night vision, 7-inch TFT LED screen, 4 or 5 wires, so that's not really a lot. Video and IP44, so that's very good. So let's unbox this thing. So it has 2 flaps from the top, and then it opens like this. Oh, this looks, oh wow, that's so big. It's so cool though. I thought this was gonna be smaller, but this is cool. Oh wow, this is like really nice. Wow, this totally exceeds my expectations for this. Wow, this is like really nice. Like, it's not like a veneer, it's like real nice aluminum. This is like really nice, like wow. So next what we have in the box is a touch screen, or not touch screen, I keep thinking it's a touch screen, but it's not. But I think you can get it in a touch screen. I didn't need the touch screen, so I didn't get it in the touch screen. So this is the 7-inch screen. I'll take off this. Oh, this looks really cool actually. Wow, this is nice. This is like really, really nice. Let's take off this little plastic. Alright, yeah, I'm probably just gonna have this at my desk so I can see when people come to my door. That would be really cool actually. Oh, my computer's going crazy now. That's always fun. So yeah, this looks really cool actually. Alright, and then what else we have in the box is, I think, some cable. Yeah, we have a bit of cable. Actually, a decent amount of cable. Wow. This is like really good amount. I think you can get it in longer lengths. I think you can get it in like 50 feet and 100 feet lengths, so you can have it farther away from your door. But yeah, I think this is like a two-way video doorbell, so you don't have to be right there to be able to talk to them. That's very nice. This is like cool. Oh, I'm probably spending way too much time on this. Alright, let's see. I think this is regular Cat 6 cable. Cat 5, sorry. Nope, I think it's something else. It looks to be Cat 5 though. Okay, this is taking a long time. I'm gonna come back to that in a minute. And then what else we have in the box? Anything over here? No, nothing over there. So then we have in here is, I believe, our power supply. Yep, power supply. This is for the monitor, which I believe, let's see, where does this plug in? Oh yeah, by the way, there's the volume, brightness, and another control. Here's power, so this plugs in like so. Very easy. Now we have power running to it. That's really actually very easy. Now, how do we get this out? Just so we don't damage anything, I'm just going to leave it in. Yeah, so this plugs in here. Now how does camera connect to it? Oh! That's where you can connect the lock to. Oh, that's so cool. That is very cool. I'm probably going to have my dad help me with this stuff because I don't want to screw it up. Although it probably has a manual in here. Product warranty card. Well, that's cool. That's very cool. Here we go. Instruction manual. Color door video phone kits. Alright. So, what is that? What is that? 10. Oh, that's brightness. Alright, that's what I thought. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna do this in a minute. Let's see what else is in here. Anything else? Oh yeah, we have this cool mounting plate that the sticker just came off of. So we have this cool mounting plate, some mounting hardware, and a bit of more cables. And yeah, here's the final thing. So yeah, I think everything is out of here. But I just want to double check because I've thrown other things out. Alright, yeah. Oh, that's all done. So that's where you can have an electronic lock connect to it. So let's get the cable out here. This is where I need to get the cable out. Okay guys, I finally got the cable unraveled. That took a little while though. So basically what this says is the camera goes in here. Like so. If I could get this in there, that would be nice. That was pretty easy. I think I got that in there. Yeah, it feels like it's in there pretty good. So, okay guys, so I found out how to get this up and running. So you push this down, and then that opens up a world of possibilities. Let's see. Yeah, that's actually really easy. I thought it was going to be harder, but it really isn't. That was pretty simple, yeah. Alright, now I'm going to go back. Because the instructions were a little bit not too helpful. So I am using this video that I found online to help me out. So let's see. I'm going to go around. Here. Yeah, that's actually really strong. It's like not going to come out in the wall if you were to pull on it. And like when wiring the cable, it's not going to come out that easy. It's like actually pretty cool. I actually really liked this. This is very cool. I like it. It's like it provides. It's obviously not for everybody because most people don't like wiring, but for that, I would recommend the ring, but I like this. This is fun. It's not terribly difficult. The hardest thing of this is probably getting the wire for the thing undone. But yeah, I like this. It's very fun. And it's not terribly difficult to install. It's definitely not that hard to use, most likely. So let's see. I just want to double check that I did that right. So let's see, V is the green one. Yes. B is the blue. Yeah. Black is the G. And alright, I did it. I can plug it in now. Let's just test it out. Now, because I don't want to do anything wrong, I'm gonna. Oh gosh. Oh wait. Oh no, that's gonna take a lot of routing up cable. Gosh dang it. I'll just leave it out for now. I'll just leave it like that. I think this is pretty cool though. I mean, it wasn't that hard to install. It took about 5 minutes to get it up and running. Well, that's assuming that this works. Let's see, I got a little pallet strip over here. Plug it in too. Move this box. Gosh. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, we have power. Oh, this is really cool. Let's see how this works. Oh gosh, that was really loud. That was really loud. I really need to look at the instructions. That was cool though. Oh god. Let's see, so 12 is speaker volume. Yeah, I had it like all the way down too. Let's try plugging it back in. Oh, I get what it's doing. Test? Test? Oh, I get what it's doing. Okay. Oh. This is actually really cool. Alright, I'm gonna go put the camera elsewhere so it doesn't get really bad. Alright, that's... oh gosh. How do I do? Okay, I think it turned off. That's good. Alright, so I'm gonna put it over here. There we go. And I'll have it like right here so you guys can see it. And then I'll go elsewhere so it's not super loud. Alright, yeah. This cable's like 25 feet long. Gosh dang it. Pretty long. Alright, let's test it out. So I think if I press this button, it unlocks it. There we go. Yeah, that's my box. I'm gonna go grab it. I don't think you guys can really see that. Here, I'll zoom in on it for you guys. Yeah. So now I should probably show you what all of these buttons do. So basically this one, that one basically turns that one on. This one answers a call. This one starts a call. That's me. Okay guys, so this button answers a call. So let's say I started a call over there. I can answer it from over here. I'll go try it. Or it ended it. I can't remember. Here, I'll try. And then that answers it. That's basically how that works. And then that ends it. So that starts and ends a call. That starts a call manually. That ends it. Right? That ends it. This, if you're in a call, you can press this button, and it unlocks the door. This mutes, I believe. Let me check what that one does. I forget what it does. I don't really know what that one does. I think it says mute, but I'm honestly not sure. 7. Interphone. Oh, that's for if you have another one of these. Because I believe, yeah, sub monitor. You can have a second monitor with this thing. And you can interphone with it. Hello. Alright, yeah. That's good enough for that. Alright, yeah. So yeah, this has been another review. Thank you guys so much for watching.